Hi, this is my recording during COVID time in 2021. In this deck repair and upgrade project, I will be replacing some of the rotten deck boards. I will replace the deck rail. As you can see, I already removed the old one. I'll also be removing the deck post cover. I will not be able to show the whole project, but I will discuss some of the useful tools I have used, my thought process on the painting, how I cleaned the deck. About painting, these small cans you can see that you can buy them for $4 at Home Depots or Lowe's, and you can put this small paints on your deck and wait overnight, and the next day see how they actually look in natural environment, and then you can actually decide what paint you really want to go with. So one of the important thing is to replace the deck board is to you have to get a pry bar like this. This is about 3 feet long, I think 40 inches long. So and this cost about $29. I think I bought this from Lowe's also, and it is worth getting a pry bar like this. This will let's put it like this way to lift up the deck board. So this is a really useful tool if you need to replace the deck boards. So these pry bars are also very useful for এখানে এই nail glue ওঠানোর জন্য. So it makes your life a lot easier to get those nails out this way. So it's a different morning. I'm continuing the project. I am done with the making the deck rail. It's about 8 feet long. So this will be installed today. I'm sorry I could not show how I built this, but you can see I'm also done putting most of the pressurized the pressure treated lumbers throughout the deck, and also some of the places here, as you can see, those cracks protruded up, but instead of replacing the lumber, I just put some screws in and then kept them intact. So this way you can save some money on replacing with a new lumber there. And also about the deck post, I decided to paint over, and you'll see at the end how I made these things a little more prettier. That's pretty much all I have captured from this project. Now you'll see how the new upgrade looks like. I was able to bring a modern look on the deck with a white rail, dark gray on the floor, outdoor kitchen, outdoor patio, and on the deck post, as you can see, I put this nice flowers. My brother is doing the grill there, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.